Wangsaran is popular. This is Lee Mansok. Now, today's kimchi, if you use our popular bacteria in kimchi, the kimchi becomes delicious, and then the crispness or taste of the kimchi remains for a long time. Well, now I made a video and uploaded it. I said, this person and that person, I just got a call and an inquiry, but I can't tell them the same story anymore. So I'm going to make another follow-up video today. Well, first of all, they are now Yuin. How much and how to use it? I'm asking you that now. Let me answer that first. Now, I'll upload a photo. Now, we did a lot of lectures like this before Corona. Now it's a local government, but now it's a lifelong education center or a university lifelong education center or what? In various places like local governments, lifelong education centers, and universities, we gave many lectures, and the kitchen and educational facilities are in good condition. We do a lot of practice there. And today is the day when we practiced using fermented seed bacteria in kimchi, right? Okay, so first, how do you use it is all the same. Making kimchi is the same. Now you guys, you see, oh, let me try this. Okay, kimchi. Now, kimchi cabbage, this is reduced to salt. This is a housewife in our country, so she knows how to do everything. In this way, we add salt to the cabbage, remove the water, and then add seasoning to the kimchi. Well, add chili powder, garlic, onions, whatever you want to add to each fat. Oh, and after that, we'll put our effective end-to-end members here. It's sweet right here. Oh my, I won't put it here either. So now you put seasoning in the kimchi. You usually make it the day before. So we make the seasoning the day before. And then now we add the seed bacteria to the seasoning, mix it up so well, and cover the lid. It's about a day now. Now, Sakun is giving the microbes some time to settle in here. Now, just put it in blindly. If you do it right away, they're crazy. So now I say everything, but then I have to put in a certain amount. So I'm asking now. Then we usually talk about weight, 1 kilogram, 1 gram. This is the spoon that is now inside. Well, this is a 1 gram spoon. So now if the weight is about 10 kilograms, then 1 kilogram is 1 gram. So 10 spoonfuls of this. I'm putting it in. Since this is now 100 grams, if you do this, you can fly about 100 times. So even if you make quite a lot of kimchi, we actually don't use that much fermented seed gyo. Now, 1 kilogram is 1 gram. So if it's like 10 kilograms, it's 10 grams, right? Then with one of these, you can now do about 100 kilometers. It's not that when you weigh, you have to weigh it accurately with a scale. You can roughly pick it, but usually cabbage now. Cabbage, if you guys sell 4 kilos of cabbage, then 4 kilos of cabbage is just fine. Yes, it's a kilo, and then you can roughly listen to the weight like this. And if you do this, it's about 1 or 2 kilos. So what is the cabbage between these two? That's 6 kilos, but it's 6 kilos, so it's 6 grams now. All fish are two big things. Some bacteria like air, some don't. If exposed to air, bacteria activate faster. Bacteria that don't like air are better off in an environment without air. They are more active there. It's amazing. It's not difficult at all. Yes, but can't you add more? I want to add more. Can I add more? Yes, it doesn't matter if you put in a lot. But shouldn't I add a little less? There are people who ask that, but you can add a little less. Well, I used to put less and put more. Now, it's everyone's mind, but there must be a short standard point. Yes, that reference point is now 1 gram. But oh, 1 kilogram per kilogram. No, that's the standard point. I want to make a little more generous. You can add a little more. Ah, it's a bit of a waste. This is expensive and it's a waste. So I want to add a little less. Can I add a little less? Yes. Then I dipped the kimchi like this. Now I have it. I don't care what the kimchi is. So you can make seasoning and make cabbage kimchi like this. You can make baby kimchi, and now you can add any seasoning, whether it's cabbage, thorn, or onion kimchi. We add fermented seed bacteria and cook seasonings for a day, sakugo, and then I put it in the refrigerator just like that. Now the kimchi refrigerator is all at home these days. Now you can just put it there. At this time, you have something to be careful about. All fish are two big things. If we usually say it in a difficult way, we say it like aogi seonggyun and then hyongki seonggyun. But to put it simply, aogi means that the youngest is good. That is, the air is good. There are bacteria that like air, and then there are bacteria that hate air. So now the bacteria that like air. Now, if you open the lid and expose it to the air, it will be great. So the bacteria will activate faster. But now the bacteria that carry the air is better off blocking the air. Then, since they are now my favorite environment, they are more active there than at other times. So, but now our Liu Ingyun and this Gyun are all Is that it? It's Hyun Kiseong, but they're not dizzy, they're air-hating bacteria. So, in addition to the seasoning, kimchi seasoning, after it all rotted, they asked me to cover the lid, but now I have vinilu among the things that cover the lid. Dear vinilu, when you cook pickles, you put a big plastic thing on it, listen to it just like this, and then use a rubber band to make it tight so that air doesn't pass through. I think it's best to lock it up. Yes, then, because there is no air communication, most of them are bacteria that hate air, then inside, because that's the environment they like. It just becomes active at that time. Look at it like this. But if they are air-loving bacteria, then close the lid as loosely as possible so that dust doesn't get in. You have to give it to me because they hate the air. It's better to put a bottle of air out of vinyl and put it just right for Yamuji. You can just think of it as a point. Now, after that, I seasoned all this and made kimchi. Well, now, like this, if it doesn't matter what kind of kimchi you make, I made it first. So now put this in that kimchi bucket, and then you need to close the lid completely, just like this. If you just close it with one coil of air and put it in the refrigerator, the kids will buy it. Yes, it's getting better, but there is a big difference between when you use this bacteria and when you don't. Last time, we have something important in the transaction, so we gave Lee Gyun a few gifts. Oh, he said, and now he takes this and uses it. But if you give it for free, it's very hard. Oh, I don't use it very often. I thought it was no big deal, so I just threw it next to me like this. It's been like this for about a year. And then when I look at it now, it seems like the date has passed, so I'm going to throw it away now. Normally, if you give it away for free, that's what people do. Oh yes, so I thought it was a waste to throw it away. They are. Because he spoke to me himself. So now his wife is now kimchi. Now kimchi, usually for over a year. And then the kimchi, that is a little wrong, becomes a little strange because it becomes a little choppy. Well, something like mold blooms. And what color? It's not white, it's not thrown away, it's become strange, and it smells like that again. Plus, yeah, I'm trying to throw away this kimchi. Now I can't eat this. I can't eat kimchi because it's crumbly now. They said they were going to throw it away, but now if they just throw it away, They're going to throw it away, so it's a bit of a waste, and they're giving it away for free, so they're going to throw it away now, huh? Now that the expiration date has passed, I was going to throw it away, but this person momentarily said, let's do an experiment. And it's like this in a kimchi container. By the way, strangely enough, it exploded and smelled like this, so I put a whole can of this in before throwing away the rotten, crumbly kimchi. Plus, what I'm adding now is the kimchi soup. Oh, just float the soup like this. I put in a can and recorded it like this, and then I got it. They said they sprinkled meat on it. I sprinkled it, closed the lid, and just in case, put it back in the kimchi refrigerator. And now, for a few months, I forgot what I put in it or whether it didn't come. And I was just doing this. And when I was cleaning the refrigerator, I took it out just like this, and now I put it in the field, and if I couldn't eat it, I threw it away. How many kimchi, which is so blue, strange, crumbly, and smelly, is it now? I just put this fermented seed bacteria in it, and after a few months, I found out that it was buried in the ground a long time ago, and now it is buried in the ground with kimchi. What do you say? That sour taste is not like this, it's not like this, it's not like this, but when the kimchi is well cooked, it's sour. It tastes better. So when I looked at the kimchi stew with it, I thought it was so delicious. So now it's in your mouth. That and no need for any other side dishes. That and that kimchi stew and then rice and what? He said he ate a bowl of rice in no time. And now the taste has improved that much, but he got better. This taste is now the old taste of the kimchi I buried in the ground when I was young. And I liked it so much that I got a call and told me this story. I did it. That's him. From then on, when we start pickling, I told you to put only 1 gram per kilo. I put 1 gram per kilo, but we usually put about 1 or 3 grams per kilo. So I usually put 3 times what I put in. Well, we are now selling Yuin because we are now businessmen. Oh, it doesn't matter if you use a lot. Yes, this time when we pickle, we're in it now. Here, inside here, here now. When ordinary people put 1 kilogram and 1 gram in, we, now. I put 3 grams 3 times, and the total weight just now adds up to the weight of cabbage. The weight of the cabbage and then the weight of the seasoning are all added up. If it's 10 kilos, now usually this is 3 spoons. If it's 10 kilos, add 10 spoons. We now have 30 tablespoons in this spoon. I put it in, and now I put enough in and eat it. These days, it's delicious. Oh, when I eat rice, if the kimchi is missing, it seems like something big is missing, and in the past, if the meat is missing, well, it felt like there was no side dish at all, but these days, after this kimchi is gone, the side dish is like an important side dish is gone, and the taste is so good that I feel like this. So, this good means the taste my body wants, the taste we used to eat when we were young. We talk about that taste. Oh, it's so sweet and sour and so on. Nowadays, modern people are very different from those hotels and chefs and so on. It's not that kind of kimchi that a skilled chef makes just to suit the tastes of modern people. It's not that kind of taste. It's that kimchi that we used to eat when we were young that makes our saliva drip down after eating it. It tastes like that. When we use fermented seed bacteria, it tastes like that. Now, for this time, I'll finish it. Thank you.